guys, I did my makeup already and blow na lang ako ng hair. Mali yung step, which is dapat blower muna before your makeup, so your makeup won't be blown. Basa mong buhok. So probably, yung hair, yung makeup ko, i-touch ko ulit yan for umalis. So I forgot to bring my earrings upstairs. Kasi baba pa yung earrings ko and to watch also. Mag-blur ko muna yung hair ko. I am with Sarah, plus the engine later. Do not know kung ano yung kakainin namin. We don't have any plans what to eat. So, dapat mag-decide kung saan kami kakain. Kulang ako ng extension kasi tapos ko yung pot. It's not compatible. Okay, here back. Guys, para kung mahanap extension. So, I'm gonna leave my hair like this if ako malis. I don't know where to get extension na compatible sa plug na to. So, kailangan pa atang muna ulit. Init pa naman dito sa kwarto. Ito lang. So, init. So, I'm going to bring this down. Here it back. Okay, guys, I got extension. I don't have my ID yet. Yung pang grade 11. So, sa sir na mami ako, kunin ko yung ID ko. Yung gamit ko is pang grade 10 na may ID lace ng ICU. Muna kasi kailangan sa clearance naka-white or uniform. Kahit natamad ako magsuot ng uniform. So, pupunta kami ng SM, kapalit pa ako. Baka nadumihan yung uniform ko. Hi guys, we're going to Coffee. Coffee pala, sorry. So, next agenda. Order na kami. Yung ano? Pili. Look guys, konti ng tao. Kasi sobrang ano pa. Ito? May dilo na ito. May kanto pala. Ito. Nag-ilaw ka pa na? Magkano? 5.
One hour later.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? Can I call you Rose? Cause your fragrance takes over.
Tapos yan na tapos. Tay mo lang tumigil lang. Pati.
Few moments later.
Pero pag wala talaga nagsasabi
Yung
tayo,
ano, yung hindi, o yung walang kapareho, ikaganon mo. Isa lang. O, tapos,
wa,
sika ko kunin mo. Pag ganun ka, ganun.
Eh?